Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and we're going to make a little basket to go with our card, and this is the card that we made a little earlier. I am going to use this one when I make the basket to go with the card because it matches that, but right now I'm just going to use this one to show you how. That's going to be our little card. This basket I made last year and probably the year before, just different variations, and I have saw tons and tons of people out there on YouTube making them, so I don't know where I got it, but it wasn't original when I got it, and I'm sure it wasn't when they did either. But you're going to need a piece of cardstock that is 7.5 by 7.5, and you're going to score at 2.5 all the way around on all four sides. 2.5, 2.5, and 2.5. Then you're going to put it on a diagonal, and I've got my little 6-inch thing marked all the way down. Put it on a diagonal with both of your points on that line, and then you're just going to score down to this score line. You're not going to score all the way. You're just going to score down to where those two score lines meet right there. And then, if I can see on this end, we're going to try to do it here. I think I'll just turn it. It'll be easier. So put that right there. Make sure that one's down there. And then just score down to where those two meet right there. Do that on all four of your corners. Okay, so that is all the scoring you're going to do. You can put your scoreboard away. Go ahead and fold and burnish on your score lines. And this is more of that paper, what was it? Happy Easter. And I think we have a couple more packs. If you want it in time for Easter, if you order it today, we can get it out to you. And then just go ahead and pre-fold your corners. Those corner score lines, just making sure that they are even. If they're not, just you can straighten them up now. Like that. So you have something that looks like that. Now what you're going to do is decide which one you want to be your outside. And I want this to be my outside. So I'm going to fold these in a little bit. And then you're just going to bring these up. This is almost like that card purse that we made. Bring those up, and you have your 4 points that come together in the middle. Just like that. So see, it's almost like a 4-leaf clover box. But what you're going to do, we're going to put this together with some twine. You can use ribbon in here if you want, but I'm going to use some twine. You're going to take your corners, fold them up, and take your punch and just punch a hole in there. On all 4 of your corners. And making sure that you punch the hole through both of them. Like that. So I just folded it together and punched the hole. Then we'll take some twine. You won't need a lot unless you want to fold it 2 or 3 times, which I might do that. Let's just go ahead and fold it a couple of times since we're using twine and not ribbon. Like I said, you can use ribbon on this and it would be very pretty, But we're just going to use this twine that kind of matches up with this paper. And then you're going to put your sides together and just stick that twine through that hole. Just do that all the way around. Now once you have that twine through all 4 of the holes, then just go ahead and pull it so that it'll bring those up together. So see, there are your points together. And then we're just going to tie a knot and a bow, I hope. You notice I said I hope because who knows if I can tie a bow. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. There we go. Now, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and tie this together if you wanted to hang this on something, and you could hang it up. Put your candies or whatever in there and hang it up. But I am just going to leave it like that. Trim the ends off. And I think that is super cute. Now you could do this out of cardstock and then put the panels on the side if you wanted to. I just think it's cute like that. And then once I get it made out of this paper to go with my card, then I can just put some candies or whatever in there and give them this and my card. Okay guys, that is all for this tutorial. It's very easy, very simple. The hardest part's getting that ribbon through all those little holes there, but other than that, I think it's super cute and very pretty. I hope you try this. If you do, please share it over on our Facebook group. That link is below, and we will talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.